So does this look familiar? Is this the way you currently dry your hair after a shower? If the answer is yes, you are doing it wrong, but today that changes. So yes, my hair looks wacky, but I am sacrificing in order to teach you an incredibly valuable hair lesson. Hold on, I can't stand the thought of my hair looking that jacked up for this video. So when you get out of the shower, your hair is wet. When your hair is wet, it is brittle. And so what I don't want you to do is just grab a towel and start shaking it and giving it hell like your mother did to you when you were like 3 years old. You're a grown-ass man. The problem with this is that when your hair is wet, when it is brittle, it is more prone to damage and breaking. Instead, what I want you to do after the shower is take your towel, pat, right here. Yeah, you're patting. You're not shaking. Pat and move. Pat and move. Pat and move. Pat. Exactly. You get the idea. Instead of just like going crazy, right? Because the patting is more gentle. It's letting your hair know, yo, I respect you. I love you. And I'm not going to give it the business like I've been doing for years.